Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from jazzledazzlecraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. And today I am kicking off another 100 #100 series. So this year I'm just going to do 100 days of cards, or 100 cards in 100 days. I've not even thought the title up yet. I'm just about to film the first one. So a lot of the cards that I will share with you over these next 100 days, and bear in mind, once I get to the end of these 100 days, we will nearly be almost at Christmas. Just saying. So as you see the numbers go up, you'll know we're getting closer to Christmas. So I thought I would start off with a baby card, plain and simple, mostly white. I'm bringing in pecan pie to stamp with. I'm going to stamp this lovely wee, well, we would call that a wee vest in the UK, a baby vest, but I believe in other countries that would be known as a romper. So I'm just making a very simple baby card because these are the kind of cards that we want to have on hand. So, you know, you hear of a new baby being born, get a quick card made. Now this is a fabulous wee bundle. It did carry over, but it is in the annual catalogue. So you've got, this is the packet that the dies come in, because it's not too inexpensive set, although it's not actually available as a bundle now. I don't think it's you would have to buy the stamp set and the dies separately, but they're small, so they're not as expensive as some of the other sets. So you've got die to cut out the vest, you've got 1, 2, 3, you've got a wee pocket, and you've got a wee hanger and a rattle in the dies, and then in the stamps you've got the vest, and you've got various wee bits and pieces to decorate it with, and then you've got 6 different sentiments. I'm just keeping it simple, but mostly what I'm trying to do as well is use up scraps and bits of pieces that end up on my desk from other projects. So that's what I'm doing. So I've got pecan pie to stamp with. I've got a piece that has been embossed with, oh my goodness, my brain is not always that great, Forever Plaid embossing folder. Again, I must have done that, and I had a bit, I've obviously used a bit from it on another card, and then I'm going to use this piece for the layer on this card, and I've actually still got another piece, so that may well get used in the next card, because I'm thinking that, you know, sometimes the cards will just evolve from each other. I don't know in advance what I'm going to make. We just have to start somewhere. So this will go live on the 15th of September, and hopefully, if I can keep it up, I won't beat myself up if it all falls apart. However, I hope to be able to continue. But sometimes, you know, family things or health can get in the way, but I would let you know of something like that. So I'm stamping with pecan pie. Oh, and I had a die cut again. These are from the did she get the Nested Essentials dies. I had cut out a load of these. I think probably a lot of these things will have been cut out for my cup and cards ladies, so I think we'll incorporate that and the vest. Like, we've got the little heart as well, just a wee heart in the front. Keep it simple. I have done some cards with this set during the year, and we did stripes, and also it might even have been last year, but do you know, there's loads you can do. So then once you've stamped, you can die cut that out, because we've got this. Now I use a washi tape, just El Cheapo washi tape that I picked up somewhere along the line, and I use that just to hold a die in place, and then I'll put that through my die cutting machine. However, before we started, I did one because I find it just a pest bringing my machine on while I'm filming. So that's exactly what I showed you. But just a wee point, if you want to, that actually cuts out the slit there, and you can use the wee coat hanger die and you can have this looking like it's hanging on a coat hanger. I've decided not to do that on this card. Now the only other stamping I am going to do is this, and I'm basically just going to pop new baby there. So I'm really am keeping this clean and simple, really, I think, is for this card anyway. I can see this the style. But we've got, you know, we've got them, just, this is all just basic white. Now, the big deal is, will the glue work? Yeah, you don't need a lot of this Tombow glue. A little goes a long way. So I've got a card base. Oh no, Janice. You're trying to do a white card and you've put a wee ink splodge on it. What am I like? Okay, well. I was going to kind of do it about like that. I've got some gold hearts. I think that we'll add some gold hearts here to this one. It wasn't the plan, but I'm not wanting to throw it out just because I made a bit of a boo-boo. Probably could have turned it around the other way, but I suppose we could do that. I'm now actually thinking, yeah, I could do it that way, but what I'm thinking is I could stamp one on there and try not to get in a mess though. Could have two vests. Babies can have more than one. You see how sometimes you start off to do one thing and you end up doing another? Right, so if we pop that one sort of at a jaunty angle that way. And this, we can have another heart. We'll just keep it simple. So don't let mistakes get in the way of your creativity. And I'm going to use dimensionals, so to add the other bits and pieces on. I don't think I do have heart dimensionals. Embellishments, I don't think I do, but we'll have a look in the embellishments in a minute. If we pop this there, no one will even notice. And then this one, we'll pop that up as well. No one will know that boo-boo's there. The backs of your dimensionals. So by the time I've done this series of 100 cards, I will have a good selection of cards for all sorts of occasions. There will probably be quite a high amount of them will be Christmas cards because that's where I'm needing to get organised. Now, let me see if we have... I need to clear this out. I just want something that's not... There we go. Actually, I think I'm just going to go with these pearls. I don't know if these are antique pearls. Let's just add some of these. They're not quite white, but they're creamy white. And they want to stick to their own packet, don't they? Just add a bit of interest. There's 3 sizes here. You've got small, medium, no, large, medium, and a wee small one about there. I think that's just enough to give it just a bit of a look. And I'm cool with it. No one knows there's a boo-boo under there. Well, you know, except for everyone who's watching this video, which hopefully will eventually be hundreds. So thank you so much. That is the first card in my 100 cards, 100 days, 100 days, 100 cards. I don't know. I'll think it up, and once I'm finished filming, I'll sort something out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.